Hi, I'm Dan with Everglades Equipment Group. One of the common questions we get at our service departments and our parts department is how do I put line in my trimmer head? So this is a pretty common STIHL trimmer head. It's a 25-2 or AutoCut 25-2. Super common head. I'll show you how to put line in it today. You need a flathead screwdriver first. You want to pop off what we call the donut. And you see these holes here. There's two. There's one here and there's one here. And that donut's going to pop out. Just a simple donut. By the way, this is a replaceable part. If you wear this, come to any of our stores, you can replace just this part of the head. Additionally, you can also replace just the spool. And you can buy the spool preloaded with line from any of our locations. But it's super easy to reload yourself. Next thing you need is line. And this trimmer head's going to take 95, 105, or 130 line. Today we've got some 95 line. So just strip off some. Everybody asks how much. Truth is, it doesn't matter. If you got too much, we'll cut it. Too little, you're just going to do it more often. So I'm going to strip some off. Then you can cut it a couple different ways. You can get you a pair of side cutters like this. Cut super easy. But even better than that, if you keep this with your line, when you come buy your line from us, buy one of these. They're 50 cents. And you can store it with your line. It cuts it even easier. Just fold it over like this and pop it, and it cuts it just that easy. I'll show you one more time. I'll show you how easy it is. Just pop it. Well, that's not a good one. Let's take three. Turn it over and pop it. Cuts it just that easy. Then you want to cut this in half. So we're going to take this and get it in half. So just put the two ends together, pull it through so you get to the halfway point. Pop it. Then take half of it and get your spool. And then you're going to see down in your spool, there's these pieces that catch the line. So you're going to feed your line in, and then you just have to remember you want to wind against that hole. So you're going to put it in and wind this way. And now if you forget, they put some nice arrows here for you. It says line this way. Then you're just going to wind it. Just wind it around. Not too tight, so when you get to the end, toward the end, you leave some, you find the hole right there, and you just snap it in like that. So the great news is now we're halfway done. So you're going to get your other piece of line, you're going to find that other hole on the other part of the spool again, you're going to put it in there, you're going to wind it the same direction. And then you're going to pop it in that one. So now you're left like this. Notice I got two different links, not a big deal. So now you're just going to put this back in here, okay? Get your spool, your donut ready. Then you're going to pop this through here. Then you're going to come on this side, pop this one through there. Get your donut, pop it back on, make sure it's in both spaces. Then what I like to do is just kind of even this out a little bit. And then when you crank up your line trimmer, give it a bump right off the bat, it's going to cut it here on the cutter here. Get you the perfect size line. That's how you change your line. That simple.